Simplify 3 divided by 2 root 5 plus root 5, leaving your answer in solid form. Okay, so essentially we're rationalizing in this question 2 plus root 5. I want to multiply by top and bottom by the conjugate, so 2 minus root 5 times 2 minus root 5, so that I get 6 minus 3 root 5 over, using the difference of two squares on the denominator, I get 2 squared, which is 4, and then minus root 5 squared, which is minus 5. So I get 6 minus root 5, over minus 1, and then I can divide everything by the minus 1, so I get 3 root 5 minus 6. Okay, so I want to simplify in part B this series of expansions. So I'm first of all expand this first bracket, so I get root 3 times root 3, which is 3. I get 2 times root 3 twice, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, and then 2 times 2, which is plus 4. Minus, do exactly the same for the other bracket, root 3 times root 3 is 3. I get minus 2 root 3, and then minus 2 root 3 again. And then minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. When I subtract, I get 3 minus 3 is 0. I get 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3, which gives me 8 root 3. And then plus 4 minus 4, and so we get an answer of 8 root 3, and that is it. Let's have a look and see how you get the marks in this question. So first of all, we get a method mark for this multiplier here. Without that method mark, you can't get any subsequent marks. So we then get an answer mark for the denominator here, and then we get a full final third mark for getting this answer here. Now actually the answer scheme is quite generous and gives it for you if you have this step here. Really fully simplified should be here. Okay, so part B, essentially we're going to get 2 standalone marks for this line here. There's going to be 1 standalone mark for each of the brackets that you've done correctly, and then finally there's 1 standalone mark if you've got to this fully simplified version of 8 root 3. Well, I hope that all made sense.